Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is having a fantastic Friday. Just wanted to check in. Hope you guys have had a great week so far. I'm actually down here at our Ackworth location here right off 316 North Point Parkway. Just wanted to reach out, show you guys this awesome brand new floor plan on the Heartland Northtrails. This one is going to weigh right around 4,800 pounds, so virtually pretty much anything can tow it. But they have done fantastic with this floor plan. So I'm going to turn us around here and show you guys this new floor plan. All right, so this is, again, the Heartlan Northtrail. This does have the caliber package, so it's awesome upgrades. As you guys can see just from right here, it's going to have the LED light strip. It's going to have your power awning, and the really cool thing about the Heartland Northtrail does is they use a spread axle. Makes it a lot easier to tow, and it really distributes the weight a lot better too. So they do some really cool things at Northtrail, and I'm really excited to show you guys. So we're going to move right around this way. This does have your slam latch baggage doors, and look at all this space on your cross through. You guys can fit suitcases, coolers, I mean even a grill and a few other things in here too. There is a lot of space in here, and really great for travel. All right, and you are of course going to have your power tongue jack. So really great, really easy for setting up. All you're doing is literally just holding a button, and it's just that easy. And then they do put a light out here too, so if it is nighttime or whatnot, it's a lot easier to see where your actual tongue's at, and makes it just really easy to set up at the campground. They do have their fiberglass front cap, going to have LED lights, really gives it an awesome look and just gives you that little bit extra light outside. And that fiberglass front cap is going to give you a little bit extra protection from road debris. Moving on around to the working side of the camper, as you can see, it is a cross-through storage, but again, guys, this is a ton of storage for this size of a camper. So moving on around, you do have a single slide, which you guys are going to see whenever we step inside. Then, of course, you're going to have your outside shower, your city water connection, and, of course, your power hookup all in one place, which makes it really nice and easy to set up. Now, with the caliber package, you are also going to have a rear tailgate. Really great for putting a generator, coolers, or anything like that on here. It's really awesome, and it is pre-wired for a observation camera too. As you guys have heard me in previous videos, I am a big fan of that observation camera. It really does help whenever you're changing lanes or even just backing up at the campground. All right, so we're going to move on inside. It is really awesome. They put your solid steps here too, makes it just a lot easier to kind of get in and out of the camper, and definitely a sturdier walk up. So again, this is an RBSS Northtrail. This is an awesome floor plan. As you can see, you have a king bed in here. So for this size of a camper, it's a little rare to see a king size bed. It's really nice to have that space. Then right here is going to be your TV. You also do have your radio and your just all-around audio system. That's going to control any kind of speakers or even your TV inside the camper. Now, they've done some cool things in this one. This is really great for the kids. It's actually a chalkboard front right here. So if you or the kids want to draw on it with some chalk, really great for a grocery list or just some reminders, or even kids just to draw some pictures. It's really awesome to have that. Then you're also going to have some storage right here. So as you can see, these shelves actually come out. So if y'all did want to make some hanging space right here, you have some really great space in here. Then you're also going to have this little cubby space here, great for shoes or just any extra groceries you might have. All right, then you're also going to have your cabinets right above here. And then, of course, you're going to have your stainless steel farmhouse sink. Really great space in here. Again, this is stainless steel, but it is really nice to have this flush mount cover. So if you are cooking or anything like that, you have a little bit extra counter space. Then you're going to have your oven and your stovetop, so really great space in there. It is a Furrion, I believe, so it's a fantastic oven. Now, with the caliber package, you're also going to have the central vac system. Great for cleaning up at the campground, whether you're at the beach or the lake or something like that. Super easy to just plug in the hose, vacuum up a little bit, and move on down the road. All right, now this is going to be your slide. Then you do have your table right here that will act as a dinette if you want it. I really like these tables because you can actually bring it outside as well. So if you guys do just want to eat outside, you're grilling out or anything like that, you already have your built-in table. All right, moving on inside, you're also going to have your solid glass shower door. It's really nice to have these, just no water's going to get out of here, and it really is just a secure area for your shower. Then obviously you're going to have your sink, medicine cabinet up top, and then a little bit of storage in here, and then some storage right here. Guys, they have done fantastic at putting storage in this camper. Then of course you're going to have a little bit of storage up underneath the bed as well. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, this is at our Ackworth location in North Point, 316 North Point Parkway. So super excited to show you guys this camper. Brand new floor plan from Heartland Northtrail. If you guys have any questions, please comment in this video, or you can reach out to us anytime at 770-975-8400. Hope to talk to you guys soon, and keep on the lookout for more videos.